Yeah. Right. Heavy Metal King. Billy Idol. Vinny Appice. Listen, it's a burgundy bath. Everybody get turned into ash. Big and evil, just something I made my personal task. The G36 put you in surgery fast. Everybody die regardless who first or who last. Death almost got me twice, but he mercifully passed. I'll take your face off without using surgical masks. I wouldn't call it an eagle, but I'm certainly gassed. This isn't the Desert Eagle, but it certainly smashed. If I don't get money from rhyming, that's a fateful day. I'ma have to take it back to the kitchen like Rachel Ray. I don't put no work in with bitches, I'm trying to scrape today. Anywhere in my environment is not the place to play. If I'm hungry and need a food, I'll pull a Scully down. I don't fuck with workers, I'm gunning whoever run the town. I got enough clips with me to spit 100 rounds. I'm the father of Christ, and y'all are just a son of clowns. I don't think that y'all can fuck with Vinny, but let's see. I'ma have this fucking llama looking like Jet Li. Everybody who is anybody respect me. I'll have you bleeding out your back like it's a jet ski.
Motherfucker was really real, really ill. Run up on you, hit you with Israeli steel. Yo, we really will. Through windshields, windpipes, and car seats. You die on the Bill Parkway next to Canarsie. Motherfucker was really real, really ill. Run up on you, hit you with Israeli steel. Yo, we really will. Through windshields, windpipes, and car seats. You die on the Bill Parkway next to Canarsie. Brutal trials, indulgent slavery, and human sacrifices. Shooters pack devices capable of proving lack of life with no compassion. Ratchet action, flashy fashion, blast for cash assassins faster than the flash of mass. A body count surpass the sound barrier and shattered by the splatter rattle. The wake and shake you sober, got to kick back and dislocate your shoulder, decapitate your head and chop you in half, pop you in laugh, rob you and dash, find you amongst the cowards and fads. Find me holding the rifle on the watchtower with plans, so never underestimate me or the power of past. Lock you in a room with the lion, now how would you last? You can't fight the king of the jungle, he'll devour you fast.